going to perform the experiment rising water. Materials that will be needed are a tray, one candle, colored water, and an empty glass. First thing that we will do is that we will light the candle, after which we will add the colored water in the tray. After filling the tray with the colored water completely, we will take the empty glass and put it on the burning candle. As you will observe that the water inside the glass rises and the candle goes off. When the candle was burning, the temperature in the surrounding went up, because of which the volume also went up. Now when we put the glass onto the candle blew away because of the lack of oxygen, which led to the lowering of the temperature, hence lowering the volume and the pressure. So the atmospheric pressure pulled the water inside the glass, and hence in the glass the water level rised. Hello students, today we are going to look at the experiment turmeric as a universal indicator. So first we are going to look at the ingredients. We will be taking water, turmeric, detergent and a lemon. Then what we are going to do is we are going to take the water and add it in the bowl of turmeric, and then we are going to mix this solution well. Now you can see the color of the solution, it is yellow. This is the original color of the turmeric solution. Now we are going to take the next step and we are going to add some detergent to it. After adding the detergent, we will again mix the solution, and now observe the color of the solution again. Now as you can observe, the color of the solution is changing to reddish brown. So the color has changed to reddish brown, and this is happening because detergent is a base, and turmeric, when it comes in contact with the base, it changes its color to red. Now we will be adding some lemon to it. Lemon is acidic. So now we will see that how turmeric solution reacts when it comes in contact with the acid. Now after mixing it, you can see that the color of the solution, it came back to the original color, which is yellow. So this experiment confirms that turmeric solution acts as an universal indicator, and it changes its colors to reddish brown when the base is added to it, and to yellow when the acid is added to it. Hello students, so now we will be looking at the lemon experiment. So the things which we will need for this experiment are a candle, a piece of paper, a cotton bud and a lemon. What we are going to do is, first is we are going to take the cotton bud, dip it in the lemon juice and then write something with it on the piece of paper. As you can see, while we are writing it now, we cannot see anything on the piece of paper. Here I am writing 2 alphabets on the piece of white paper. Once we are done with the writing, we will let it dry for some time. Once the paper is completely dried out, now what we will do is we will keep it on top of the burning candle, and we will be moving the paper slowly. As we continue to do so, we will slowly and gradually see that the part where we had applied the lemon juice, it is coming to light first. It gets burned first before the other page can get burned. If you can see here slightly, we can see the light A here. If we will keep continue burning it, we will get to see the complete letters. Let's understand why this happens. This happens because when we apply the lemon juice on the paper, the water in the juice gets vaporized, but the citric acid of the lemon juice, it stays on the paper. Then when we burn the paper with the fire or with the heat, what happens is the part of the paper where the citric acid is applied, it gets burned first, because citric acid has already destroyed that part of paper. So the letters which we are seeing is because that part of paper is getting burned first.